guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna Sophia, but you can just call me Joanna. So on today's video, I will be showing you a creative way to gift money. So typically, most people, what they do if they gift money is that they grab money, put it inside a birthday card, and then they gift it to that person, which is completely fine and it's amazing. So at the end of the day, nothing wrong with that. But sometimes you might think, you know what's a more creative way in order for me to actually gift this money and they don't expect it. Sometimes you get that birthday card and you're kind of thinking there could be some money in there, so it's not that much of a surprise. But if you do it in a creative way, it's more unexpected. You're more thinking of completely something else. This gift in particular, I gifted it to my mom. When she opened it, everyone loved it. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have seen this idea already, but a lot of people haven't. So for the people who haven't, I'm here today to show you and to open your eyes on a new idea and to show you how to create it. So I will show you first how it looks like, and then I'll tell you what you need, and then I'll show you exactly how to create it. So this is the gift right here. It's a box, but not just any box. There's money inside, clearly. I will be opening it right now to show you how it looks like. So voila. Here you go. So this is the gift. It's money, clearly, and they are butterflies. And that's all that's inside the box. I mean, you can go ahead and add more to it inside. You can throw little like gifts inside, like their favorite candy, lottery tickets, little gifts that would fit inside. That's a step up from the gift, actually, now thinking about it. But here we go. I'm trying to zoom in here so you can kind of see how it looks like. I'm trying to show you images, and the bow fell. That's cool. So that's basically the gift. Let me know if you actually like this idea. I think it's a very cool idea. What you will need is a box. It can be any box. It can be smaller, larger, whatever you would like, because clearly it's up to you on how you want it to look, and it's also up to you how many butterflies you want to make and how much money you want to give that person. So I just went with this box. I thought it was really pretty, beautiful. It's just a pink box, and then it has some detailing on the side, some gold detailing, which obviously it's not real gold. And then on top, I just added a bow. Clearly, I made it because it doesn't look like a super pro bow, but here's a cute bow on top of the box. The box I got at Target, and I believe it was around $5. It could have been like $3.99 or $4.99, $5.99. It's around there, along those lines, in case you're thinking of wanting to find something like this or whatnot. A box, that's what you'll need. You will also need string or any type of string, basically. What I used dental floss, and I got this at Target for, I want to say maybe like $1 something. So the reason why I decided to use dental floss instead of something else is because the string is thinner, and I wanted the butterflies to be the main. Obviously the butterflies are going to stand out, but I just wanted to make sure that the butterflies were the only thing standing out, not the string. You can use any other type of string you'd like. It's up to you. So, you know, I have lots of different kinds of crafts and things that I always keep in a box because I like to do a lot of DIYs and stuff. So I have this string, and this could have worked perfectly well. And you can use any type of yarn if you make scarves or anything like that and you have this at home, or any type of string that you have at home is perfectly fine. So that's another thing that you need. You also need tape, and you use a tape to tape the top of the box, the string on the box. So tape, and just ignore the fact that there's no more tape on this, but this is just for visual purposes, so you can tape. So let's see, two more things that you do need. Two more things. So This I got at the dollar store. So it can be any dollar store around your area. I don't know if you have a 99-cent store or a Dollar Tree or whatever dollar store that you have. They probably might have these, but any craft store, I believe. But I just went to the dollar store. You want to get these, color of your choice. This is to create the antennas, like the body and the antennas of the butterfly. So the last thing that you need is money. So, money. For every butterfly that you make, it's going to take 2 bills. So $2 bills, $5, or however you want, basically. But just note that every 2 bills creates 1 butterfly. Okay? So now you know everything that you need. I'm pretty sure I'm not forgetting anything. Hello. Coming back from the future. Hi, so I completely forgot to add scissors. So you will need a pair of scissors when you cut off the antennas to create the butterfly. So scissors. That's everything that you need in order to create this gift. And now I'll be showing you how to create the butterflies. And yeah. Okay, you're going to need 2 bills to create 1 butterfly. So for right now, I'm going to focus on 1 bill. I'll put this on the side. And what you're going to do is you're going to flip this dollar bill over and you're going to fold it from this end to this end. Okay, so now that we've folded the bill, we're going to get this corner and fold it until it meets the line that we created. So, just like so. It's up to you if you want to define this one right here. And you do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we flip the bill over to the other side. Not flip it, but turn it over. Move it on over. There we go. And you do the exact same thing. Okay, so now it looks like this. And what we want to do is, there's going to be a lot of folding involved. So you want to fold this part right here, and then you flip it on over and you do the exact same thing, and you keep on doing that for the rest, moving on forward for the rest of the bill. Take your time. So now this step is complete. What we're going to do is we're going to fold it from one end to the other. So grab it. Make sure it evens out quite a bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to try to get it as close. Okay, so now that this is done, we'll put this to the side and we will grab the next bill to complete our butterfly. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it from here to here. Okay, so from here we're going to fold forward. It's going to be the same idea as this one right here. I'm gonna flip it. Just a quick side note, I'm sorry if the clips were kind of weird while I was actually recording myself doing the butterfly. Hopefully it didn't really disrupt or make it confusing on how to create it. It's just that I kept running out of memory, so every time I had to stop and delete. So that is a creative way to gift money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And until next time, guys, until my next video. Bye, guys.